Hi, VW Coco in Plymouth. First start of the squareback in 12 weeks. Now overnight I'll recharge the battery. And I've just primed the carbs. Let's connect the battery up. All done. One bloody pain was I went to put my foot on the accelerator pedal. Bing bong. So, a little welding job later on. Let's have a go. Come on, you beaut. Usually a good... No way. That is first turn of the key. Out from SpongeBob, no way. The brakes will be locked on. Let's have a go. Handbrake off. Oh, and conked out. Give it another go. Get the brakes freed off. Oh, lovely. Back wheel locked on. Oh, and there you go. Woo! Pity about the bloody lockdown. Stuck inside, can't even drive him. And I wouldn't trust it going to the shops. We get online delivery, so we're not leaving the house. But yeah, that's the first start in at least 12 weeks. Yeah, I love this thing. He's a keeper. The only thing I might change is these racing seats. Get the original seats. I think I may have a pair of high back Beetle seats that look nice in here. But yeah, that's bye from SpongeBob and bye from me. Stay safe, guys. Cheers.